Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to mention people or how to tag people in a video on TikTok. So guys, this is actually very easy to do, so let's get started. First step to take is of course open your TikTok app and log into your TikTok account. Now the second step to take is to of course create a new video or upload a video from your device by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. So once you upload a new video, click on the next button at the bottom of your screen after adding sound, effect, text, stickers, or anything you want to add to this video. And then you're going to have the option to add a description to your video. So just say anything about this video. And after that, you're going to find this option right here. Go ahead and click on that. And you can now start mentioning or tagging your friends on this video. So I'm going to tag this person, and as you can see, its name appears there at the, just close to the video description. So I'm going to tag another person, and then after that I'm going to make this private because I don't actually want to upload it. Okay, and then you're going to have to click on post, and once this video is being posted, those people
please somebody should take
on the video. So guys, this is how you can actually tag people on a TikTok video. Hope this guide was helpful. If you think it was, give this video a like and you can subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.